how to change app notification sound on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change app notification sound on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again and scroll down until you find any app you want, like TikTok, and then click notifications and select here anything you want, like comments. Click on it and here you will find notification sound. Click on it and here you can change it. You can select any classic ringtone here, or you can just take it from your device, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change app notification sound on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.